Doesn't this look delicious? This is my homemade watermelon mojito. Fresh, minty, and super easy to make. Stick around and I'll show you step by step. So the first step is definitely us assembling our chopped watermelons in a glass, and ensure that your melons are very sweet for this recipe. And then we have lemons, but if you don't have such a lemon, you can definitely use the green lemons. They usually work the same way. And you can also try this, but it's also a recipe within a recipe. You can take chopped melons and then you squeeze in some lemon juice. You'll never go back to eating watermelons the same way. After that, you add in your watermelon slices to the lemon slices, and then you squeeze in lemon juice. Okay, so here I was just trying to ensure that all the lemon juice is squeezed out. As you can see, this is the advantage of us using watermelons, because watermelons are usually so juicy, and also our lemon was also juicy for this step. And then you remember the lemon slices that we cut, you're going to place them like that in slices. And then now you take you can take your soda. You can either take Sprite or whatever type of soda that you have, and then you just add a little bit of it, because the melons have already provided us with liquid and also the lemons. And then don't forget to add in your ice cubes. Okay, the ice cubes are definitely going to come in handy. The juice is definitely going to be so chilled. And then for that minty flavor and for the juice to become a cocktail, you have to add in your mint. So at this juncture, I'm going to add in my mint leaves. And guys, don't skip this mint part. The mint is really elevating. And as you can see, I really enjoyed this drink, and I can rate it a 10 out of 10. God bless you. Bye.